I'm sure you already know Monimoto, an anti-theft GPS tracker for motorcycles, scooters and other vehicles. Here at Monimoto we are riders too, and we were looking for bike security solution which would be seamless, wireless and affordable. Monimoto 7 is even smarter and better anti-theft GPS tracker. Why? Because it uses LTE-M, or to be more specific, LTE Cat M1 technology, which is something in between 4G and 5G and is specifically designed for Internet of Things devices like Monimoto. And this is why it comes with integrated Esim with activated global services. Of course, Monimoto 7 stays completely wireless and quick to set up. Again, that means it doesn't drain your motorcycle battery and can double or even triple your battery lifetime, which was already impressive. It works with existing proximity key fob you already know, and since Monimoto 7 we are using AA-type lithium batteries. How to use it? Hide the Monimoto device. It arms without a proximity key fob nearby, and it disarms with a key fob nearby. Monimoto calls if detects movement and sends GPS location to the app.
Once you receive the box, make sure the security sticker is not damaged. If it's broken, you better consult with your retailer. So let's look what's inside the box. Here's the prompt for you to download the Monimoto app. And here is the device itself. It's slim, compact, and as all previous Monimoto models, it's completely wireless. It comes with two AA lithium batteries for your convenience, and it also has an integrated eSIM card, so it can work straight out of the box. Here is the proximity key fob, and you will also find plastic straps that you can use to attach the tracker to your motorcycle.